Here's Ravneet Bhalla's answer to all of you looking for healthy breakfast ideas, healthy snack ideas, healthy food recipes, healthy breakfast, or healthy dinner ideas. This easy roti pocket recipe is simple to make and yummy to taste. Of course, when Ravneet Bhalla posts the recipe, it has got to wear the health tag too. Let's prepare the chapati pocket dough, which is as simple as making your normal roti dough. The difference is only that I follow a no-knead dough method or autolysis. Add water, a little amount of fenugreek powder, salt, and flour. Mix with a spoon or spatula until it resembles wet sand. Splash water on top of the atta, cover, and keep aside for 20 to 30 minutes. The atta will set beautifully, and you need to just gather it into dough. That's it. The roti pocket dough is ready. Keep it aside. Now let's make the nutritious, yummy, healthy filling for these roti tacos. This healthy lunch recipe uses a bowl of boiled kabuli chana or white chickpeas, raw papaya, one potato, 50 grams of beans, pumpkin, though I have not used, one carrot, cauliflower, green chili, ginger. In fact, you may add veggies of choice. I make this delicious bhaji with cabbage too, and it tastes so yum without onion, garlic, and tomato. Let's cook the veggies for bhaji in 1 teaspoon oil. Stir in jeera and throw in grated ginger. After a minute, add all veggies one by one, add salt, mix and cover for 5 minutes. Stir again and then add boiled chana or chickpeas, chili powder, turmeric, amchur powder, and garam masala or curry powder. I have used my MIL's Uriya curry powder, and I have already shared the recipe of this powder, which is much more flavorful and aromatic than the garam masala you get in the stores. It's a people pleaser, my dear friends. Add half cup of water, cook for 4 to 6 whistles, open and mash it all as you mash the bhaji for pav bhaji. This makes a delicious, nutritious pav bhaji too. If you want, you may add butter to it. I do not add anything extra here. I keep it plain, simple, and healthy. It still tastes delicious. But for kids, you may add butter to give them a cheesy, buttery feel. Let's make the roti pockets. You will need to roll out each chapati thin. Do not keep the rotis thick. Cook the chapatis on a hot skillet on medium flame. Avoid overcooking the chapatis and cook them just like a normal roti, but keep them half cooked. Now, if you have pumpkin sauce handy that I have made at home and will be sharing the recipe soon, you may add that or any other sauce of choice. Even tomato sauce should taste amazing here. Smear the half cooked chapati with pumpkin sauce, top with bhaji in the middle, lift the chapati from one end until the middle, then lift the opposite side and cover over the first fold. Similarly, fold from the remaining two sides. Immediately place on the hot skillet on a low flame. Press hard with a spatula or roti maker. Smear some oil or ghee on top and flip side immediately. Smear some oil on the opposite side and cook on a low flame until the two sides are roasted well. This roti pocket tastes yum on its own and makes a healthy snack idea too. I often make these pockets with paneer shawarma. My hubby is so fond of it and compares it with any store bought rolls. Trust me, I use no tomatoes when I am cooking for hubby dear. Despite that, we all love our simple meals. My idea of cooking is to make everything easy, simple, and healthy. What about you? Do share your experiences in comments. Are you looking for more healthy snack ideas for kids or elders alike? Looking forward to hearing back from you on this healthy food recipe. Take care until we meet next with yet another healthy recipe. God bless. Bye bye.